We are making Aloo Palda with Patande. And I am making these patandes with buckwheat flour. So let's get started. For Aloo Palda, I'll be adding around 200 ml of mustard oil and I let it heat till smoking point. So let's get started, and I'm going to start with putting some whole chilies, lots of asafoetida, some whole coriander seeds, which is optional, some jeera of course because that's a beautiful marriage with potatoes, some salt, some turmeric. I avoid putting ginger, garlic and onion, but many people also like to add that. Now I'm going to add some peeled and boiled potatoes. For boiling, you can actually boil them in pressure cooker for 3 to 4 whistles. And there's another hack which I recently discovered. You can actually put them in a plastic bag, washed, pat dry, and maybe you can microwave them for 8 minutes. Do give it a try. We'll stir it well now and let it cook for some time. Many people add first the buttermilk or the yogurt and then they add the potatoes. But this is something I like to do, and of course it turns out very well. As you can see, this is a little thin matta, what we call, or you can use yogurt, you can use buttermilk, whatever is your preference. You need to whisk it well to make sure there are no lumps, and we are going to add this into this tempered potatoes. At this stage, since I like the crunch of green chilies, I'm going to add them now. You can also add them earlier while your potatoes are being roasted. You can cook the yogurt curry with potatoes for 3 to 4 minutes and just switch off the gas stove. Of course, any Indian dish is incomplete without a big drop of fresh coriander leaves. I am going to make patande now, and you all must be wondering what is patande. Well, it's pancakes from Himachal. Many people make it with ragi, wheat, and I'm going to make it with buckwheat now. So this is around 250 grams of buckwheat. I'm going to add little coriander leaves, some green chilies and little ginger. And of course, all this is optional. You can only make it with salt as well. I'm going to add little jeera and some salt as well. Let's make it into a thin consistency and make sure there are no lumps. Now we will let it rest for some time. This is how it looks after 15-20 minutes of rest. I usually do that for better results. And now we will start making these. We will put 1 tablespoon of ghee or any other oil you prefer. I am actually making it with hands because that's a traditional way, but you guys can actually use a spoon, a spatula, whatever makes you feel comfortable. You can see the crispy edges just the way I love to eat. And this is ready. Finally, our Aloo Palda is ready with buckwheat patande. Don't forget to watch Indian Food Diaries with your Chef Sherie on Get Curried. See you soon.